Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're gonna take you. She just dropped her sandwich, yeah. We are gonna be taking you out today with us to just go about our day and the things that we're gonna be doing. As you guys saw, I'm here with my best friend Isa. Everyone always thinks we're cousins because she's like a family friend, so we grew up saying that. And then, you know, people were like, but are y'all like biologically related? So we just, you know, told them the truth. We were like, bro, like we're just best friends. But anyway, so yeah, we started off the day by just waking up. I really didn't have much of a breakfast. I had a slice of toast. Isa brought, as y'all saw, a sandwich, which she dropped, but she had a good portion of it. I have my coffee in here, and we just got to school. Because I have to study before we get our day started. I'm on my scholarships. I'm on my scholar-ish, right, Isa? Yeah. So I'm headed to the library right now because I'm gonna be studying. I'm gonna get tutored, and then we're gonna go have lunch and just go about our day and take y'all with us to spend our Saturday. I will be dropping a separate vlog tonight because we're gonna be going out tonight. We're going out tonight to Miami, and that will be a separate vlog, but y'all will see that as well because I will be posting about that, but I just don't want to make the video super lengthy, so that's why. And yes, I have my bonnet on because I did my hair super pretty for tonight and I do not want to ruin it. Isa's already entering the library, but yeah, I don't want to ruin my hair, so that's why it's in a bonnet. Whatever. So we're pulling in to the library. Here's Isa, y'all.
Hey besties, welcome to another
Banking video.
Welcome to another banging video. Today we are at the library, as you can see.
Ooh, I like that.
She's gonna be on her little PA scholar because she's gonna have her own little not stores, clinics like
offices.
Have her own little clinics, offices. About like I already see her with 5-6 of them. Oh, there's already someone coming, and I'm gonna be here doing my designs. Just how do you say acompañando?
Like spending time
with my bestie because we're both gonna be,
because we don't go to the same school, but I had to come to the school I go to obviously do, wait, let me film it this way. I had to come to the school that I go to obviously like get tutored and do my homework, and she's sleeping over, so she came with me, and then she's gonna stay outside the library like doing her art stuff because she's going to be an artist, y'all.
Fashion designer, actually.
Alright, so we're gonna go upstairs, click the button. We're running a little bit late. They're gonna think that I have issues because I've never been to a library. Like, you've never been to a library? Second.
We are so bougie. We're in an elevator. Wanna know something? My elevator.
We've never been in an elevator.
Can I say what my elevator looks like?
Sure.
Nothing like this.
The elevator to your
It's a red velvet.
Now they're gonna think we're like
Bro, I'm in Miami.
Why is the door closed? Hello?
How did you tell me you're touring today?
There's no one in here. So I don't know. What do you mean call the guy? Hold on. Okay. Maybe it's somewhere else. Let's go walk this way. Oh my god, now I'm gonna. Huh?
Dream big.
Dream big. Huh?
Taking the video.
Yes.
Guys, it's never too late to be what you might have been.
Okay, great. They didn't let her in. We made it back to the car, y'all. There's Isa. She was literally just doing her art stuff while I did the tutoring, and now we're headed home. I was gonna like decide with her what we were gonna eat for lunch, and then my mom called us and was like, oh, I bought chicken wings and fried chicken and stuff. So we're gonna go home and eat that, and I'm so excited because I'm hungry. I didn't really have much breakfast. I woke up, put my bonnet on, put my shades on, and headed to school because I really needed to like get the tutoring session in, and the tutor was only here for a specific amount of time. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go home. And sorry if you can't really hear me, the AC is like blasting because it's so hot. It is so hot today. It's a beautiful beach day, but I'm like super tan right now. I gotta do my nails today, and I'm gonna do them later, but yeah, I'm tan, like my arms super tan. The sun has been sunning. Anyway, we're hungry, so we're just gonna go home and eat that. If not, I probably would have either been like Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, or I don't know what my other option is, but we would have wanted something quick because like I said, we have stuff tonight that we have to do. Like we're gonna go to Miami and stuff, so we need time to get ready for all that. So we really don't want to be like wasting too much time because Issa still has to straighten her hair. I have to still do my nails, so just all the things. But yeah, so we'll see you guys at the house. I think I'm gonna stop to vacuum my car real quick, and then we'll go home and eat, and then see what else we do today. Okay, bye. We have mixed fried chicken. Issa made her plate. My plate is in there warming up, and that's what we're eating. All right, so this is my plate, and then I also got some ranch. I look like, oh, there's ketchup. Issa ate hers with ketchup, so we're gonna pour some ranch in here. I look crazy right now, y'all. Just disregard, please, okay? We just came back from vacuuming the car. I forgot to vlog that, and it was hot. Good job. Show me.
Hey, besties.
Oh. Nothing.
Eating my
chicken wings from Publix. Chicken wings from Publix are good. Right? She had hers with that.
Especially when you're hungry.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I normally like it with hot sauce, but there's no hot sauce. But the hot sauce that I use is sriracha. And if you guys have never tried it with sriracha, you need to try with sriracha if you like hot sauce.
You eat them with hot sauce?
I eat everything with hot sauce. I don't know about you guys, but with rice, I put ketchup on my rice, or I put sriracha on my rice. It's really good.
Ketchup okay, but. So we're here at the park. Luna's literally just sitting under the tree. It's just so hot. She did a few runs, but barely any. And there's like an infestation of bugs here. Right, Issa? There's like an infestation of bugs.
Bro, freaking infestation of bugs to the point where like they started entrando in my freaking mouth. Like I'm choking on them.
Right, we were like running, and we're the only people here at the park right now. First of all, it was like $3 to get in, which is like crazy because
per person.
It's a public park, and anyways, after that we got here, whatever, we parked. We came here early because we thought it was gonna rain, which honestly by the looks of it doesn't even look like it's gonna rain. But it's so hot, so Luna's just literally over there just sitting down. So we were trying to like run with her so that she could like get some exercise in because we gotta leave soon.
I can't.
And while we were running,
my nose?
right, the bugs were like coming in our nose, in our glasses. I think I ate one. Like
they all started getting on my clothes.
It was so bad, right?
Can you see me blink in my glasses? Your glasses?
I don't think so. So yeah, we're gonna head out soon, but I wanted to update y'all, so I'll see you guys in the house. So I know the video is kind of crooked right now. You can't see it as well, but we are basically just resting as well as doing some homework. I just finished folding some laundry. I had hella laundry to do, honestly, so today was just kind of like catch up with that. So I just finished folding hella laundry after we ate. Then me and Isabella just talked, had like a very spiritual talk. She's doing some homework now. I'm making some coffee because I finished folding, and I gotta take a shower soon, so I wanted to get some energy. So I'm gonna drink some, and yeah. All right, guys, so after that video, we went ahead and took showers and then started getting ready for our night out. I did a whole separate video and it was about an hour long of us getting ready to go out, so make sure y'all check that out. But as I was editing this video right now, I peeped that I didn't really do like an outro or just update y'all. I feel like it felt pretty short, even though we did do a lot of stuff. We ended up driving an hour to my school so that I could do the tutoring thing. On our way back, we stopped to get my car cleaned. We came home, so we were like 2 hours at school. It was an hour there and an hour back. Got my car cleaned, ate, rested because we was very tired. Took the dogs to the park and just got situated, showered, cleaned up a little bit, things like that. So it really was like a busy, productive day, I would say. I just feel like I was trying to record as much as I could, but I'm getting into the hang of doing vlogs, and I haven't done them in a long time, so it might not have been the very best, but that was kind of like a sneak peek of our day. And then, like I said, I did film us getting ready, and that was like very raw, not a lot of edited parts, just all just thrown in there, and that's why it was so long. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. We enjoyed the vlog. We enjoyed then going out that night, which I posted all over my Instagram, so make sure you follow that. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.